Okay, language explorers. Right, welcome to another class. Let's look at the noun, Monday nouns. Let's look at the noun activity. Action. Action. There's the word there, action. A-C-T, action. To do something or to do things. When things happen. I have an activity today. We have some activities that need finishing tomorrow. When things happen. Today, I have some activities on my to-do list that need completing. I've got loads of activities that I need to work on today. As stuff is occurring or being done, things are happening. I have an activity now. Just please wait. They have some fun activities later on. Makes sense. The activities, IES, is a Y, so IES, include reading and writing. Reading and writing. How cool is that? My activities today include recording this video, and teaching. Let's jot that down. Recording and teaching. Yeah. How cool is that? So, let's look at I finished my activity from yesterday. Yeah, I'm quite organised, and I have a to-do list of things I need to do every day, different activities. And over time, the activities are finished, completed, done. Yesterday, last week, today, this morning, done. Now, there is an important activity. This activity here, recording and teaching, is important. I need to do this activity. Important. The activities for tomorrow include climbing. See the future. For tomorrow. Today's Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Tomorrow. The activities tomorrow include, as well as include, climbing. 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 So the question then is, language explorers, what activities do you have to do today? What do you have to do today? My activities are simply going to be recording lessons and teaching all day. Whoops, let's move that. All day. Yeah. How cool is that? But what about you? What activities do you have to do today? Yeah, answer in the comments. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? And remember, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram, and Udemy as well. Just search English with Adrian and Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.